Oh, we're just getting warmed up, children. Thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Mother. So grateful. Thank you all for joining us in every way, shape, and form. We are your soul parents. We created you. And to have these moments with you, reflection, we're up to 3 years in one day. 1,065 days in one day. So we're going fast. We want to get home quickly. Come home to your mama. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? Tell us, children, what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You got a heart that burns with fevers. I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can our love that lasts forever? How could our love? How could a love be so fucking far behind? Pull your shit together, I love you. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to fucking be on the run. Mom and I, it's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. In fact, you crossed your evil line today. How can we ask about tomorrow when you still got your head up your ass today? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Oh, we have much patience, children. You are the divine children of all creation. Nowhere to go but home. Thank you, Sophie. Love you. Pops out.